Assalamu alaikum class 4. I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Before starting our today topic, we have to recall our previous one. So, Aima, please tell me what is our previous topic? Yes, we have started our new chapter which is programming languages. We have started a new topic which is programming languages. Yes, Ateek, can you please tell me, can we write a program in Urdu language? No, computer cannot understand Urdu language. Can computer understand English language? Yes, Meera, please tell me, can computer understand English language? Computer cannot understand English language. Can computer understand Hindi language? Yes, computer cannot understand Hindi language. Can we write a program in Chinese language? Fatma, please tell me, can we write a program in Chinese language? No, we cannot write a program in Chinese language. So, how many types of language? Moise, please tell me how many types of language? Yes, there are two types of language. How many types of language, Saad? Yes, there are two types of language. So, what is the first type of language, Arsalan? The first type of language is low level language. What is the second type of language? Mira. Yes, the second type of language is high level language. Can we write a program in low level language? No. Can we write a program in high level language, class? Yes, we write a program in high level language, but computer first convert the high level programs into machine acceptable language, which is low level language, and then start working on users instructions. Yes, we give the instruction to computer in English language. It means it is a high level language. Computer or compilers and interpreters, these are the hardware devices which convert the high level language into machine acceptable language, which is low level language, and then start working on human or users instructions. So we have discussed three basic steps of programming language. Zareen, can you please tell me what are these three steps? Yes, the first step is algorithm. The first step is algorithm. What is the second step? Zaha, please tell me what is the second step of programming language? Good. The second step is flowchart. What is the third step? Iman. Yes, the third step is block diagram. So Burhan, can you please tell me what is algorithm? Yes, algorithm is an organized set of instructions that tells us what to do step by step. Basically, algorithm is a step-by-step instructions or organized set of instructions that tell us what to do step by step. An algorithm is an organized set of instructions, organized set of instructions that tells us what to do step by step. Basically, algorithm is a step-by-step procedure that tells us what to do next. Basically, algorithm are the organized set of instructions which tells us or users that what we have to do next. So what is flowchart? Arsalan Bahu, can you please tell me what is flowchart? Yes, flowchart is basically the visual representation of data. We use some diagrams in flowchart. We use some diagrams for flowchart. For example, if we are solving some problems, so we use two types of diagrams. First shape is this, which is used to start or end the program. And for instruction or data to take the input from user to show the output or to show the result. For processing, we use rectangle shape. Why we need a flow chart? Can anyone tell me? Anaya Imran. Yes, please tell me why we use flow chart. Yes, flowchart make it easier to understand the algorithm and find the errors in the sequence of steps. Basically, we need a flowchart or we need to draw a flowchart to find the error in the algorithm. If we have any error in algorithm, so we are going to draw the flowchart of this algorithm. So the word we use for flowchart is visual representation of data. Visual representation and used to find the errors in algorithm. Second point for flowchart is used to find the errors in flowchart is the visual representation of data and used to find the errors in algorithm. We use two types of diagrams in flowchart. First is oval shape, which is used to start or end the program. And rectangle shape is used to take the input from user to print the data or for processing. If we want to take the input from user, we use the rectangle shape input. We use rectangle shape. If we want to process the data, processing, we use rectangle shape, and if we want to show the result after processing, we use the rectangle shape. Just to start and end the program, we use oval shape and write the start and end. It means we are starting a program and we are going to end the program. Now we are going to move on next point, which is block diagram. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning and the word you understand from block? Yes, block means we are using a block in our block diagram, and blocks are linked with different lines. We can relate the block diagram with our math lesson, same as factor tree. Block diagram same as factor tree diagram, which we have learned in our first term exams, in our first term syllabus. First we have find the number, we have find the factors of the numbers, then start making it as trees like this. For example 12, and we have to find out the factors of 12, which is 2, then 6. Again 2 divided 6 is 3, then 3. Now we are going to draw the block diagram of 12 is, in factor tree diagram we use number 12 and start finding the factors of 12. And the factor of 12 is 2, 6, because 6 times 12, 2, 3, because 2 times 6 and 3 times 6, 3, 1 times 3. So these are the factors of 12. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 12. These are the factors which we are drawn as 12. 2 multiplied by 6, 6, 2. Basically, this is the root. Then 2 and 3. This is the factor tree diagram. Same like block diagram, because these steps, all the steps or all the members of the tree are linked together with the connectors. With the connectors or lines. Basically, block diagrams are connected by arrows to show the relationship between them are called block diagram. Block diagram block diagram or blocks are connected by arrows. In 12 we are going to use the arrows, same like this and this. We read the table of 2. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Same as it is, all the blocks are connected by arrows and they are linked together to show the relationship between them. In block diagram, we use block and arrows to show the relationship between them. Block diagram. We draw blocks. Draw arrows. To show the relationship. To show the relationship between blocks. Or maybe blocks are connected. In our math example, we draw circles so inside the 12 and write the 12 inside the circle, write 6 inside the circle, write 3 inside the circle. But in block diagram, we draw blocks. Now class, we are going to move the to draw the block diagram of our school. For example, our school is based Dr. Machine. Now we are going to draw the block of Dr. Machine. Dr. Machine is linked with teachers. So, टीचर्स से पहले हमारे पास आएंगे कोऑर्डिनेटर्स एंड वाइस प्रिंसिपल्स. हु इज आवर वाइस प्रिंसिपल क्लास? यस, मिस तान्या. एंड हु इज आवर कोऑर्डिनेटर? मिस बुशरा. Then teachers and students, then books, they are linked together. Then we draw a block. Teachers, students, books. All these members are linked with each others. Miss Dr. Machines linked with Mr. Bush, Miss Bushra, Miss Tanya, teachers, students and books. All these members are linked with together. Now class, I am giving you the homework to draw a block diagram. Just draw the blocks, means rectangle shapes or blocks, and start linking with each other. And your homework is draw your family tree using a block diagram. Who is the first member of your family or biggest member of your family? Maybe your grandfather or grandmother. Then draw the block diagram of your grandmother or grandfather that link it with your mother and your father. Then start drawing the blocks and link it with your brothers and sisters. So your homework is draw your family tree using a block diagram on page number 58. So your homework is draw your family tree by using block diagram. Yes class, now I am taking to review the classes. Yes, how many types of language? There are two types of language. First is high level language and second is low level language. How many steps a programming language has? Yes, there are 3 steps of programming language. First is algorithm, second is flowchart, and third is block diagram. So my next question is from Arslan. Can you please tell me in what step or what is the name of step in which we draw visual representation of data? Yes, in flowchart we show the representation or visual representation of data. Which step we follow to find the errors in algorithm? We use flowchart to find out the errors in algorithm. Prima, can you please tell me what is block diagram? Yes, basically block diagram is a factor tree diagram. Factor tree diagram, we use blocks. We use blocks and arrows to show the connection between the blocks. Who is the biggest member or elder member of your family? Maybe your mother, maybe your father, or maybe your grandfather. So first we draw a block, then start connecting it with your father and your mother. Then start connecting it with your brothers and sisters. Maybe your aunt, maybe your uncles are also like that too. So please draw the blocks of these members. If you find any difficulty, so please you can text me on the WhatsApp group. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.